In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack keyboard shortcuts effectively, making your navigation through Slack smoother and more efficient. First things first, begin by heading over to the Slack website. Slack, as you may know, is a powerful tool for team communication and collaboration. It streamlines how teams communicate and maximizes productivity, and learning to use keyboard shortcuts can make it even more powerful. Once you've made your way to the Slack homepage, you'll want to sign in. Depending on your setup and preferences, there's a handy way to log in using Google, so go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. This method provides a convenient, quick access by leveraging the Google account you're likely already signed into. It's not only secure, but also saves a few precious seconds that can add up over time. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. The dashboard is your main hub within Slack, featuring various channels and direct messages that keep you connected with your team. Here you can perform most of your interactions, and it's where keyboard shortcuts become truly advantageous. Now let's focus on the handy search feature, which you can access right from the dashboard. Clicking on search allows you to quickly locate messages, files, or any other information buried within your workspace. Imagine sifting through endless threads and channels manually. With search, it's as easy as typing in your keywords and voila, the information you need is right at your fingertips. Next, you should try typing keyboard shortcuts into the search bar. This action will direct you to the list of keyboard shortcuts available in Slack. Having this list is like having a cheat sheet for efficiency. These shortcuts cover various functions such as navigating between channels, marking messages as read or unread, and even formatting text in messages. By incorporating these shortcuts into your routine, you'll not only save time, but also enhance your overall Slack experience. To sum up, mastering Slack keyboard shortcuts transforms the way you interact within this vital communication tool. It reduces time spent on navigation and allows you to concentrate on what truly matters, collaborating and communicating with your team. As you start using these shortcuts more frequently, I guarantee you'll notice the difference in how swiftly and effortlessly you can manage tasks in Slack. So the next time you log in, take a moment to explore and utilize these shortcuts. Your future self will thank you. Stick around and watch as these small changes lead to big productivity gains in your daily workflow.